you ever thought about using heat to produce cold? Making challenging technological choices in view of serving tomorrow's data center industries is what data center energy is all about. A joint venture between LuxConnect, Luxembourg's first operator of state-of-the-art carrier hotels, and LuxEnergy, an innovative builder and operator of next-generation local energy plants, Data Center Energy, or DCE, has been committed since its inception to green, sustainable and efficient energy generation. Kilowatt, a brainchild of LuxEnergy and Belgian Francois Group, recycles biomass, and in particular wood waste, into energy, hot and cold, produces wood pellets and injects this clean energy into the public energy grid. The genesis of the project dates back to October 2008. Since production started back in October 2013, after 4 years of development and construction, Kilowatt has created 15 new jobs. The beating heart of Kilowatt is a cogeneration plant, where combustion of rebuttal wood produces heat and electrical energy. The electricity is entirely injected into the public grid, while the excess heat generated by the combustion process dries wood, which was chopped into thin wafers for the production of pellets, cools the LuxConnect Beeson data centre, and will power the future district heating network of the entire area. Using every bit of energy in the most efficient way causes Kilowatt to run at an astounding 95% efficiency rate. Wood waste, also known as B-type wood, is the primary energy source that powers the cogeneration plant boiler at Kilowatt. B-type wood can range from branches and trees unfit for the furniture or packaging industries to broken furniture. Before Kilowatt, this wood waste was exported for recycling in Luxembourg's neighbouring countries, thus creating an additional CO2 footprint due to long transportation routes abroad. Today, in excess of 32,000 metric tonnes each year are processed locally in Luxembourg by Kilowatt. The cogeneration boiler eats up 4 to 5 metric tonnes of rebuttal wood per hour, bringing the water contained in the boiler to evaporation. Combustion fumes in turn are used to turboheat the steam to 420 degrees Celsius. All this sounds cool to an engineer, but where does the real cold come in? We'll get to it. Channeling the steam through a turbine generates sufficient electricity to cover the annual needs of a town with 6,000 households. We follow the journey of the steam via condenser to a secondary network where the substantial residual energy is used for the production of pellets, cooling the data centre, here we are, and powering a future urban heating network. Each year, Kilowatt produces 35,000 metric tonnes of pellets. This corresponds to the heat consumption of 7,500 households, using on average 17 million litres of fuel to reach the same target. In a near future, Kilowatt will power the district heating network of the entire industrial zone, relying on its know-how and residual heat. Remember the Muppet Labs, where the future is made today? Here's the way very hot heat produces very cool cold. Remember the turbo-heated steam at 420 degrees Celsius? This steam is fed after the turbine into 2 absorption chillers producing cold water, which in turn drains away the heat produced by the servers in the LuxConnect Beeson data centre. Looking at the process mix, Kilowatt could truly be considered as quadrigeneration plant, with a breathtaking environmental effect. First of all, reducing CO2 emissions of 350,000 tonnes between 2014 and 2020, and secondly, covering approximately 5% of the green energy needs in the country's energy mix. A side effect of the entire process, which makes us particularly proud, is that the use of heat produced by burning wood waste leads to the qualification of LuxConnect's Beeson data centre as the first green data centre in the world.